Hi guys, how are you doing? Happy Saturday. As you can see from our lovely floral tapestry back here, I'm back in the hospital. Oh, excuse me, I started a new migraine medication and I'm really tired. I won't go into, the whole admission and first couple days story because I already uploaded a short, 3-minute video to my Facebook page, so if you want to watch that, I'll link it in the description box. You can check it out. But basically, it's just a routine, CF exacerbation, so I'm back in here. And I started feeling better after a few days. I got here Monday night. I started feeling better after a few days, so the plan, was for me to go home this next Monday, 2 days. But I started having really bad chest pain and rib pain and back pain and lung pain yesterday and today, and I was coughing up really red mucus. I was coughing up blood yesterday, which sounds like more dangerous than it actually is. It's kind of common for people with CF or other chronic illnesses or their lung conditions, but it's not that common for me, so my doctor was a little worried, but not that worried. So basically, if things stay okay, I'll still go home on Monday, but this lung pain is kind of abnormal for me and kind of not chronic, but it's getting pretty uncomfortable, so there's a chance the plan might change. I hope it won't, because my birthday's on Tuesday and I have never spent a birthday in the hospital actually, so I would like to not be here for that. But that's sorry guys, I'm honestly so tired because of this medicine. But I haven't had a migraine for the past 2 days, so maybe it's working. But that's basically my whole health update. I'm just kind of chilling here, reading. I'm reading this right now. Super sad true love story. It's about the apocalypse. I'm taking a class about apocalyptic fiction, which is super fun because I get to read about diseases and atomic bombs and other things like that. So it's a very uplifting course. Just kidding, it's not, but it's a fun time. There's some really exciting things happening for me with my work, if you can call what I do here my work. It's not really, because it's fun and I love it so much, but I'm excited to share that with you guys soon. And I thought I was gonna burp. We haven't had a Hannah Burps in a long time. If you know Hannah Burps, you are an OG subscriber, because that was like a year ago. But I'm gonna start doing back to school videos soon. So in the comments, if you have a topic that you want advice about, and it can be for high school or college, just leave it down below so that I can see it and know what you guys want to see. Or tweet me or something. I'll leave my social media links in the description box. So I'm excited to do that and give you guys some advice, because it can be a hard balance between being sick and going to school. And I think that is it. I upload every Saturday to this channel. So if you're not subscribed already, hit the subscribe button, and then it will tell you when I upload so that you don't miss out on a video. And I think that's it. Tell me how you're doing. Let's chat in the comments. And yeah, okay. I love you. Bye.